We've made it all the way down to Fremont Street here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're across the street from the Plaza Hotel. There's Circa back there, Oscar's right there, and we're going to explore Fremont Street for the first time. Stay tuned, the adventure starts here. So you'll never believe it, who we met here on Fremont Street, Las Vegas' very own YouTuber, the Laughing Lion. He's gonna take us out right now to get some cheap beers, give us a little tour of Fremont Street. Stay tuned. We'll talk to him a little bit more when we're out of all this noise. There goes the zip line across. Whoa! Superman style, that's cool. Lots of copyright music here. This is gonna be hard. We're gonna get a little further to the back. Look at that interactive roof. That's so amazing. Got the showgirls up there, but you gotta pay to get a picture with them. I still can't get over that roof. It's so amazing. All over they got different stages, man. All over. Where are you? Where you found yourself a date? Bands all over the place. Fremont Street rocks.
Oh, guess what? We're not done jumping, Las Vegas. Well done, sir. A+. I love your enthusiasm. We appreciate you.
You guys gotta watch out there. There's lots of homeless. They bump into you. You gotta make sure you got your wallet, phone still. Such a crazy place to be. That's Biden.
I don't like Biden.
Here they go. That's amazing. I'm definitely never gonna be able to do it. I'm too afraid of heights. Michael Jackson performer here.
The music.
I know. That's copyright, like the Laughing Lion said, so we don't want to be here too long. Look at that screen.
Just a city girl.
So cool.
Where'd he go?
You gotta tip him and then he moves. Nah, I'm fine seeing him like still. So we're heading to Fremont Casino because according to Laughing Lion, that's where they got $3 Heinekens and $1 shrimp cocktails on special. We're gonna have a few drinks, catch up a bit, then continue to explore Fremont Street. Stay tuned.
Everybody wants to be on camera.
Yeah, especially later on when they're drunk, you got a lot more people. That's when I enjoyed on Vancouver late at night.
You know, we gotta go
through.
we gotta go to zoo security.
Okay, we gotta go through security. So you gotta go through security to get into this area.
He's on the strip too. You guys gotta get him, man.
What's
He's
up?
been giving free hugs. Vloggers here.
Free hugs.
Where's Maria. You gotta get a free hug from. Free hug. Get a free hug from him, man. He's got good vibes. See, he's amazing, right? He's amazing. He's all over the strip too. Fremont Street. See, this is Juanita. Maria's mom. Oh, see that? You feel good?
That's her first time to the United States, first time to Las
And then
Vegas.
she gets a hug from.
Thank you, man.
See?
I'll give you a card that way you can follow us.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
You have one too?
Are you on IG or anything?
Oh, yeah.
You want to be on there?
The Free Hugs Guy LB.
Say that.
The Free Hugs Guy LB.
The Free Hugs Guy LB. You heard it. Follow him on Instagram.
Okay, man.
Love you guys.
One love,
Take care,
one
man.
love. One love.
So we got to get into the line here because to get onto the main part of Fremont Street, there's a metal scanner. They check you for weapons. They check your check your ID, make sure you're 21 or older because it's after 9 p.m.
It's mainly for metal.
Yeah. Wow, look at that show on the roof. Whoa. Yeah, then we won't go.
We'll try to go.
We'll
to
find
Fremont
another
the
way.
other We'll try to go Fremont the other way.
Doug P. Vlogs bought a taser pen back in Texas and he brought it with him, so we're gonna see if they're gonna let him in. Well, that worked. No ID needed. They didn't even check him. Mission accomplished. So, we made it. The adventure continues. Lots of copyright music. Let's see how much of this actually we use. So we're live right now.
The other me.
That's the other me. Well, definitely.
He's the best live streamer.
Yeah. I'll give you mine too. Yeah. That's the other me. We'll remember this easy name. The other me. Other side's got all the info. Yeah.
Okay, so you guys got it? The other me.
The other me.
His name is Mark.
alcohol purchased at liquor stores on Fremont Street cannot be drank here, but they give you a plastic cup inside when they seal your bag. So you just rub it open and you pour it in your bag, in your cup, and you beat the system.